Hello and welcome back to Alex Goes Sailing. You join me in St Mary's at the Isles of Scilly, and we're going to go exploring. Pumped up the tender this morning, big old thing, and we're going to go top up the fuel just to be sure we can get around all the islands nicely, and then have enough fuel to get back as well. And we're going to go to shore, fuel, quick stop at the shops, and then we're going to go explore the fort, which is behind all that greenery there, which should be pretty cool. And then we're off to another anchorage at about midday, lunchtime, when it's high tide. So yeah, should be pretty sweet. Meraki is looking awesome, look at that. Fuel docks over there, nice tender beach over here, and we're somewhat going straight. There's the anchorage, good little fuel stop off. Tom Does Food is getting rigged up. So I want to take these fuel cans back to the boat and then off exploring. We had anchored Meraki in Porth Cressa St Mary's. It's a great spot to anchor because the bottom is sandy and there is a great beach to leave your dinghy on to head over to the shops and explore the island. Right, we're in St Mary's now. So you can see, big old boat there, looks lovely. And top of there is the garrison little fort. You can see a little flag. We're going to go explore there, walk around there, back to the boat, which is the other side of here. And still crystal clear water around this side. But yeah, and you can also see from the top of here the little island we're going to stay at tonight. So we're going to sail over there and get a nice spot on that private island. Welcome to the garrison. I assume we're there, maybe. Oh no, we're down here.
No, you're there.
Yeah,
you're there, right there.
We'll go off, explore that thing, and then maybe walk out around there.
Yeah.
Our little boat's anchored here. Sweet. Look at this thing. 1809, I think it is. Won't want that far anyway when you're out to sea. Round to the anchorage. It's like a little pillbox here. You can see Meraki off in the distance over there. Smallest boat in the anchorage, as always. How are you finding the history?
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Look at these ones. What size are they?
32.
32 pounders, Jesus. Just finished our fish and chips. Definitely recommend it. The Atlantic. Absolutely awesome. Perfect batter too. Chips are awesome. Right, we're done exploring. Back to the boat. just finished crossing to Samsons Island, I think this is. Samson Bay, one or two. But look at this. Look at this. We're in about, we've got 0.4 of a metre beneath the keels. So maybe, what's that, maybe, I don't know, about 1.5 metres deep water here, and we're almost at high tide, so yeah, dinghy's on the back. Sun's finally come out. Hopefully those clouds don't come across, but I don't want to send the drone up because I'm allowed to here because we're far enough away from the airport that's all the way over there. But yeah, look how nice this is. We're going to go for a swim as well. Get my flippers on. Oh, that'd be awesome. Awesome. Right, we're at Samson. See our anchor in the ground over there. We're completely dried out. It was a lot sunnier earlier, but sun's disappeared now. So yeah, we're just cooking up some food. For food tonight, we have fajitas and
Fajita pasta.
fajita pasta. So what is it then?
Done terribly.
No. So what is it then?
So modest, aren't I?
Yeah.
God, yeah, so it's fajita mix, chicken strips, peppers, pasta, salsa, a little bit of tomato sauce thrown in. Yeah, that's about it really. Pasta water to sort of mix it up. Could add some milk, but I'm lazy. Added some jalapenos. Here you go, jalapenos. For some spice. Yeah, and now I'm trying to open these corn tortillas. So yay!
Alright, pretty fun day. Got my little bed ready. I'm going to get the sleeping bag out. And use these cushions, these brand new cushions. And tomorrow we're going to head over to some islands that way and explore some castles and some gardens and something. And yeah, should be another fun day. So stay tuned for that episode, and I'll see you guys next time.